Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, everybody. Marcus here. It is Valentine's Day. It's Sunday, February 14th. I don't know what time it is. It's in the afternoon here. 2:30. I just broke away from the kitchen. Been in the kitchen working a lot. We're busy today. Super busy today. I didn't get to do a Facebook Live this morning because I was out early running and then got right into the kitchen to do work. And I was doing a little work in my office this morning, too. I haven't really, like I said yesterday in yesterday's Facebook Live, I haven't sat in my office really since COVID. I haven't really been in my office on a daily basis. So I was cleaning up, dusting off my desk and fixing some things, and hung up that picture yesterday that I talked about on my Facebook Live yesterday. Still got to get the lighting down in here, right? So the lighting's a little off. You can see the shadow on the one side of my face. So I have to get one of those circle lights, I guess, in the front here. We have one next door. Jamie uses it for her Facebook Live. So if you ever walk in the restaurant and you see that circular light on the bar, that's for Jamie's Facebook Lives that she does on a daily basis or during the week. So hello, everybody who's tuning in. Hello, everybody. It is Valentine's Day. I don't think Jamie just tuned in. I don't think we really have any reservations left. We've been turning a lot of people away. We might have a couple of boxes left. I'm not 100% sure. We're just now packaging up the burrata in the box, the fresh burrata from Apulia. We just packaged up the desserts. Shrimp cocktail is in process right now. So we're packaging up all the boxes right now. First pickup's at 3 o'clock. Valentine's Day. What does Valentine's Day really mean to us here for Jamie and I, especially for myself? Valentine's Day was my mom's birthday. Valentine's Day was my mom's birthday. If you knew my mom, she had passed away about 2 years ago, right before Christmas. And that's when I started doing my running streak every day after my mom passed away. I really needed to keep my mind focused and get out and do something for myself every day. And I felt like honoring myself, at least going out in whatever weather or conditions. I planned on doing it for a year or so. A year is what I planned on. I'm 25, 26 months in, haven't missed a day of running. So, so Valentine's Day for Jamie and I was always about, it was my mom's birthday. So, growing up as a kid, that's what it meant. In fact, my mom had gotten a dog. I remember when I was really, really little, she'd gotten a dog, and German Shepherd, and she got it for her birthday. My dad got it for her on her birthday, and named the dog Valentine. So through my younger years, we had a German Shepherd running around named Valentine throughout the house as when I was a kid. So Valentine's Day is my mother's birthday, so it's a little emotional for us here at the restaurant, or Jamie and I. So so that's the story with that. If you are planning on coming out today, Jamie just dropped a comment. We're sold out of tables. I don't even think we can do much takeout. I mean, we are super, super, super busy here today. The staff is working away. So I hope everybody has a great Valentine's Day. I got to get back in there. I told them I wouldn't leave for long to come sit down and do this little Facebook Live really quick. I guess we're getting more snow this week, 2 more dumpings of snow this week, up to a foot on Thursday, and I guess 6 more inches or something. I don't know. I'm not sure what the weather forecast exactly is. It always keeps changing, but I hear we're getting 2 more dumpings this week of snow, and I'm anxiously waiting for March to roll around. Really anxiously waiting for March to roll around. If it was anything like last March, we had a mild March last year. I got out on the bike like 9 times last year. I cycled about 9 times last March when COVID hit. I was able to get on my bike and crank some miles here. So hopefully I'm waiting to get on the road bike again here and pedal away. So we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, I've been running every day. And let's see. Tomorrow is Monday. We open at 5 o'clock. Nothing really special going on. This week's $9.99s that are coming up starting on Monday. They're going to be we're doing a pulled pork sandwich for $9.99 or 2 vegan brats with sauerkraut for $9.99. That's tomorrow's special that's starting Monday, the $9.99 takeout special. We do a $9.99 takeout every week, and then we typically do a $9.99 or buy one, get one on certain nights as well for takeout. We're trying to do the curry and mussels today. We're just so busy that we haven't had time to make the sauce and get the curry and mussels prepped. That's a regular Sunday $9.99. So if we don't have it today, Don't be mad at us. We're just working away in the kitchen, and the staff is working really hard to get all this done. And that's it, folks. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Really, really appreciate everybody's support. Hope everybody has a fantastic Valentine's Day. And, Karen's saying, hi, Karen. Her dad passed away on 2/14/77. Wow. So, all right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Thank you, everybody, for dropping comments. If you're tuning in live, just drop a comment, hashtag live. If it's on the replay, hashtag replay. And that's it. All right, got to get back to work now before they come looking for me. All right, folks, talk to you later.